I'm about to show you how you can open the console on Schedule 1. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So basically with the console, you will have a lot of different features like giving yourself money or activating the free cam mode and a lot more. I'm going to show you the options you can use as well. So this is very easy. All you need to do is open the menu, then go to settings, and the first thing you will see is the console. So you need to click right here to enable the console first, and this dot needs to appear like this, white, and as you can see you need to press the tilde key to toggle the console, but in some keyboards you won't have this key. So I'm going to show you how you can open the console even if you don't have this key. All you need to do is change your keyboard language. In my case, I have it on Spanish and I don't have the tilde key, so I will put it on English. If this doesn't appear like this, you need to press Windows spacebar and you will see the language, the keyboard layout, and you can press on more keyboard settings if the English language doesn't appear. So you will need to audit like this. As you can see, add a language, you will have your main language, and then you can add any language you want. So search for English and just download it. So once you have downloaded it and put it on your keyboard layout, you can go back to schedule and press the key at the left of the one key. So this is the tilde key on the English keyboards. And as you can see, you will have the console at the top where you can put any command. So if you want to see the list of the commands, you can go to view commands. And as you can see, we have a lot of different commands. So for example, we can enable the free cam, we can force a save, you can give yourself something. So for example, let's say I want to give myself something. I can just put it like this. And as you can see, I got 5 OGQs, and that's it. That's how you can use the console on Schedule 1. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.